In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a script from audio file in ChatGPT 2026 full guide. First, let's make sure your audio file will upload and process smoothly. ChatGPT works best with MP3, WAV, or M4A files. If your recording is in AIFF or FLAC, convert it to MP3 before you begin. Keep each file under 512 megabytes. Also, even if the file size is fine, extremely long recordings can time out. Aim for clips in the 10 to 15 minute range. If you have a long lecture or a multi-hour meeting, split it into smaller chunks around 10 minutes each using your preferred local editing software. This keeps processing fast and reliable. Next, let's upload the audio. On desktop, you have two easy options. Using the menu, click the plus icon to the left of the message box, choose Add Photos and Files, browse to your audio, and click Open. Or if you like speed, drag, and drop, pull your file from a folder onto the chat window and release. You'll see a progress banner appear over the prompt area while it uploads. If the upload stalls, confirm your internet connection and that the file meets the format and size guidelines we just covered. Now tell ChatGPT exactly what you want. For a word-for-word transcript, paste this prompt. Analyze the attached audio file. Please generate a strict, verbatim transcript of the spoken dialogue. Do not edit the phrasing, fix grammar, or summarize the speech. Output the complete, unedited text inside a readable format block. If you're after meeting insights instead of raw transcription, use this alternative. Listen to the attached meeting audio. Extract the core discussion points and format the output using three sections. 1. Executive summary. 2. Key decisions made. And 3. Bulleted action items with assigned tasks. Clear instructions prevent summarization when you need a transcript and structure the output when you need decisions and action items. Be mindful of account limits. On the free plan, you can upload 3 files per day with 500 megabytes of total storage, ideal for brief notes or short dictations. The Plus plan allows up to 80 uploads every 3 hours and 20 gigabytes of storage. Great for daily professional analysis. The Pro plan also supports 80 uploads every 3 hours, but expands storage to 100 gigabytes, built for heavy multi-file workflows. Finally, protect your data. In settings under data controls, toggle off improve the model for everyone if you don't want your content used for training. Avoid uploading sensitive personal, financial, medical, or proprietary material on consumer accounts. For maximum isolation, consider an enterprise tier workspace. And that's it. With proper formatting, quick uploads, and precise prompts, turning audio into a clean script becomes fast and dependable.